Hey friends. Okay, so this video is on the healing we find within intimate relationships. So early on in our healing journey, it's really hard to access relationships. I know it was for me. I was very triggered. Relationships were unsafe. And why? Because of the pain we experienced as children when we maybe expressed ourselves and our vulnerabilities and they were met with rejection, right? A lot of us have gone through that. So relationships are deemed unsafe, and we kind of like, no, we're not doing that. But as we begin to trust ourselves more within the healing, the healing journey and recovery, and start trusting the world again and people, we, realize like, hey, I need this. And for me, I know how freeing and just how wonderful it's been to have trusting, intimate relationships with people, and how much I've grown and learned from relationship. And just the fact that you can, we learn what we like, what we don't like. We learn from people's stories. We learn to use our voice to say, no, I'm not okay with that. We learn from conversation. You build commonalities with people. You experience God with people. And you build that trust in humanity again within these, the context of safe relationships. Now, you don't need a lot. You can have one person. And maybe we'll start with a pet. I know a lot of people like, I don't trust people. Hey, I get it. Maybe it needs to start with a pet. And then soon in your journey, you find just one person that you can connect with that redeems and restores that part of your heart that says, hey, this relationship is safe. It's deeply, deeply healing to the soul, to our limbic system, to just find authentic connection with somebody who can accept us for how we are and who we are, and we can accept them for who they are and how they are, and have that honest, open flow conversation expressing one's needs and even your boundaries. And that is, I would say, for the later stages in recovery, and you're lucky if, you can open up to that earlier on. I think that's absolutely wonderful. So let me know what that looks like for you in your healing journey. Are you there yet? Have you established these relationships? Are you finding that pets and nature is more safe for you right now? I'd love to know in the comments below. Have a great day.